Do you give a defined trial period for lifestyle changes before adding medication for the younger guys?
Yeah, I really hate to relegate a young man, and again, the word young is subjective, right? Let's call it early to mid 20s. Even late 20s is a young man, but specifically, I get a lot of guys for some reason between 20 and 25 that come in. And it's not a bad thing. I don't dislike seeing them come in for an assessment. I do dislike seeing them come in as a transfer patient already on testosterone because I feel a lot of them are misdiagnosed because the sign of low testosterone does not necessarily mean that they belong on testosterone therapy at 22 or 23 years old. When they come in suppressed on therapy from another clinic and they want us to take over care, and we often do, it pains me to see this because you're relegating a young man who may not have needed this treatment at this point to a lifetime of treatment before you gave him a fair chance to really optimize his body naturally and fully figure out what was wrong and maybe just make a couple of tweaks to improve his health. But when we get a new fresh guy and we come in and we do the full gamut of assessment from luteinizing hormone to SHBG to sleep patterns, et cetera, I have no complaints about that whatsoever because it doesn't mean that just because you did an intake and did a consultation in labs that we're going to place you on testosterone. In fact, I'd say that more than 50% of the guys that come to us under the age of 25 end up leaving my office not prescribed testosterone, but they walk away with knowledge and information on what they could and should do to enhance their life and then maybe save another decade before they do come back in and require any sort of intervention. So I would not rush to put a young man on testosterone. I hate to see it. Some do need it. Some truly need it. But I hate to see it because, every couple of years we notice that the generational gap between men on treatment and men who need treatment starts to go down and down and down. And now they're really young, right? So I don't like seeing guys in their 20s on TRT, but very few actually need it. Most just kind of want it and just play along. But I really try to not prescribe it to younger men unless it's really, really needed.